Well, it's finally here, the 420,000 subscriber giveaway contest. Just a few days ago, I reached 420,000 subscribers here on my channel, and I'm quickly closing in on 44 million views. Not bad for 16 years, right? Yes, I've been on YouTube for 16 years. Hard to believe. There's a lot of longevity here, and some of you have been subscribed here on my channel for just as long or close to it. And for that, I am truly grateful and thankful. Thank you. So let's get on to the contest. Unlike previous contests I've had here on my channel that were kind of difficult and had you looking up Google Earth coordinates or looking for hidden numbers in my videos or having to listen for musical tones in my videos, this contest is relatively easy. In fact, it consists of a short paragraph made up of 2 sentences that will appear momentarily. Your task is to read the paragraph and determine what unusual property is shared by all of the words in the paragraph that have at least 3 or more letters in them. That's it. When you think you figured it out, send your answer to contest420@mail.com. The first person, based on the timestamp on their email, who sends me the correct answer will win a $100 e-gift card that I will email to them. Once again, that email address for your entry is contest420@mail.com. As in past contests that I've had here on my channel, the only people who cannot enter are members of my family and anybody who has appeared in any of my videos during the last 16 years. Okay, here's the paragraph, and once again, you have to determine what unusual property is shared by all of the words in the paragraph that have at least 3 or more letters in them. Let me read the paragraph for you. Newsflash. The War Advisor might read part of The Honest Baker of Boot Hill or The Miser, the Fisher, and the Fox to Sasha and Bev in the cage down at the Fort Worth Den. Okay, that's it. Good luck to everybody who's going to take a stab at this. Thanks again for all of your support here on my channel over the last 16 years. And now that spring is here and the winter thaw is almost over, I'll have some new videos coming very soon of, you guessed it, abandoned mines and unusual places. Thanks again, and have fun.